Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Maurya. So today we are going to discuss about the Internet of Things, in which the topic is smart city security architecture. So the contents of the smart city architecture, introduction to smart city, importance of security in smart city security architecture overview, device security, network security and privacy, data security and privacy, application security, Da- Edge security, incident responses and disaster recovery, public awareness and education, and the last one is the conclusion. So the introduction to the smart city, the definition of a smart city, and it's a integration of IoT device, sensor, data analytics, and connectivity infrastructure. The importance of the IoT in enabling a smart city functionality such as traffic management, energy optimization, and environmental monitoring. So the importance of the security in a smart city, it highlights the critical roles of security in ensuring the trustworthiness and resilience of smart city IoT deployment. Discuss potential IoT specific security threat including device vulnerability, data breaches, and network attacks. So the smart city security architecture overview, the introduction to the multi-layer security architecture designed to protect smart city IoT ecosystems, emphasize the need for a comprehensive approaches that address device network applications and data security. The device security explain the importance of security IoT device against unauthorized access, tampering and exploitation, and the implementation of device authentication, firmware updates, and a secure boot mechanism to mitigate device level vulnerabilities. The network security discuss about the significance of network security in ensure secure communication between IoT device and centralized systems, and the deployment of the encryption protocols, VPNs, and instruction intrusion detection and or prevention system to protect IoT data in transit. The data security and privacy. The data security and privacy address to the data security and privacy concern associated with IoT generated data in smart city, and the implementation of the data encryption, anonymization techniques, and the access control to protect sensitive information and comply with the privacy regulations. And the application security highlights to the importance of the securing the IoT application and platform against exploitation by malicious actors. The adoption of secure coding practices, regular vulnerability assessment, and secure API integration to prevent application level attacks. And the edge security discuss about the role of edge computing in smart city IoT deployment and its security implication, and the implementation of securing security measures at the edge including from firewall and intrusion detection system and secure enclave technologies, and the incident responses and disaster recovery, and the response and disaster recovery recovers the importance of importance of having robust incident response and disaster recovery plans for the smart city IoT deployment, and the establishment of the incident responses team, backup system, and the recovery procedures to minimize downtime and mitigate the impact of the security incidents. And the public awareness and education. The public awareness and education emphasize the role of public awareness and education in fostering a cybersecurity aware culture among smart city stakeholders and the campaign workshop and the training programs to educate cities, business, and government agencies about IoT security best practices and the threat mitigation strategies. And the last one is the conclusion. Recap key points about smart city security architecture with a focus on IoT and its importance in securing the trustworthiness and resilience of urban IoT deployment, and that the encourage collaboration between the stakeholders to develop and implement effective security strategies that protect smart city and infrastructure data and cities. Thank you.